As parents, it's easy to imagine what our kids should be like, but the truth is, they're not here to fit into our mold. They're here to unfold into who they're meant to be. Hi, and welcome to cozychats.com, your space for practical parenting tips and support. I love this quote by Jess Lair, and it goes like this: children are not things to be molded, but are people to be unfolded. And that's such an important reminder for all of us. Parenting isn't about control, it's about discovery. Our job as parents isn't to shape our children into mini versions of ourselves. It's to guide, nurture, and support them as they discover who they are. Think of it like unwrapping a surprise. You don't know exactly what's inside, but that's what makes it so special. Every child has their own path. Each child is born with their own personality, talents, and dreams. Some might love sports while others are drawn to music or art. It's not about making them into something, it's about helping them find what sparks their soul. Encourage their passions. Pay attention to what makes your child happy. If they're fascinated by dinosaurs, dive into books or visit museums. If they love to dance, put some music on and join in. The more we support their interests, the more confident and fulfilled they will become. Let go of expectations. Sometimes we have an idea of what our kids should be like or good at, but real parenting joy comes from accepting them for who they are. Maybe they're not going to be a footballer or scientist like you imagined, but they have their own gifts, and those are just as incredible. So let's summarize. At the end of the day, parenting isn't about creating carbon copies of ourselves. It's about guiding, supporting, and celebrating the unique people that our children are becoming. So we have to embrace that journey and enjoy the unfolding. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to check out cozychats.com for more practical parenting tips and support. Remember, your child is so special and has their own unique gifts, and it's important to nurture that and encourage them.